Yes, hello, Cynthia. This is a short video review of your website. Please make sure to watch this video all the way through because I go over specific features of your website that are not apparent if you're simply browsing the website. Um, this is the home page of your website. Actually, this is your current website right here. And a lot of the links I noticed were not leading anywhere. For example, Catherine's Collection, Mark Roberts. You can see our favorites. A lot of these weren't linking anywhere, which is irrelevant because I just basically used this website as a source for products. I know that I normally I advertise that I move over 10 products for e-commerce websites. In actuality, I usually do about 30 or 40 just to get people up and going. In your particular case, I actually added close to 50 of your products from your current website. So I took 50 products spread out over these different categories from your current website just to give you a running start. But you can very, very easily add more products, set up additional categories for the products, arrange the categories in any way you see fit. You can have unlimited products and categories on your website. So I set you up with 50 to get you going, which is a lot more than I normally do, but you can easily add more. And adding products, you can add a product from start to finish in under 40 seconds. So everything from adding the picture of the product, the description, setting up the pricing, signing it a category, you can do all that in about 40 seconds for a product. So very easy to add products, but I set up 50 to get you going. This is the home page of your new website. And let me just refresh this home page. And you'll notice that the first thing you see when you land on your website, of course, is the most important, which is your logo. We have your navigation menu up here. We have a cart, mini cart right here, and this basically is always visible, and it lets the person that's browsing your website know what they've added to their cart as they're shopping. We have a slideshow here that goes through various images and headlines, and you can very easily change this slideshow. So as seasons change, as your items that you offer change, you may want to change this slideshow from time to time. Very easy to do so. Tutorials will show you how to not only do that, but also how to change all of the content on your website as you use it. So I just thought it would be a nice modern touch to have a slideshow here. And then you'll notice as you scroll down the website, the content pops out at you. It's not just there stuck on the page. It actually appears from the center, and you can see that as you go through how the items appear. And the home page is basically set up to showcase your featured items. Right now, coming up on the Halloween season, we have your featured costumes. And then we have down here for Christmas, we have items for Christmas. And when you click on an item, you'll actually go to that product page, and through that product page you'll go further into the catalog of the website. So the home page, the way I would set it up if this was my website, is that I would take my most popular or my most profitable items that I want to showcase and put them on the website, items that are relating to the current time, such as Halloween, and then that will encourage people to go further into the website once they see something that strikes their fancy, and then from there they'll go further into the catalog of your website. We have here items that are on sale. I thought it would be a good idea on the sidebar. I'm going to change this to currently on sale instead of just products. And the idea behind having this item on your sidebar is that you can showcase all of your items on sale so that for those bargain hunters, those people that are looking for a deal, they'll see all of the items currently on sale and they can go to that particular item. So if you click here, for example, you'll be taken to the Las Vegas Cityscape ornament. From here you can add it to your cart. This is where you put a description of the item. People can leave reviews of the item. And you'll see that here it says sale. So as you're looking at an item, you see other items that are discounted. You see the regular price and the sale price. And again, the idea of the home page is to draw people in either by showing them what's discounted, showing them the featured items on your website, and then from there they'll go deeper into your website. If somebody wants to search for a specific product, they can put that product name here and they can search for that product. So if somebody knows what they want, they can simply search for it. This is where I'm going to put your social icons, Google+, Facebook, and Twitter. And keep in mind that you can change everything that you see on the home page. So you can change the products that you display on your home page as often as you want. Maybe you want to put different items here to draw people in. Maybe you want to feature other costumes than the ones I have here. The content and the arrangement of content is up to you. That's your responsibility. My job as a web developer is to develop the website. I set everything up in this way as a suggestion just to get you up and running, but you have full control on how you arrange the items on your website. We also have here, you'll notice that when you put your mouse over a menu, subcategories will drop down. So when you put your mouse over Christmas, you'll get home decor. When you put your mouse over home decor, you'll get stockings and holders. When you put your mouse over trim a tree, you'll get themed ornaments. Then you'll get people and places. When you put your mouse over Halloween, you'll get decor, costumes, pumpkins, spooky, scary stuff. So what I've done is I've set up the menu on the left-hand side of the home page to be a drop-down accordion-style menu. Not only does that make as much room on the home page put to use as possible, it also keeps everything organized and neat. And people can simply browse by putting their mouse over a category and they'll see all subcategories. And you can arrange this in any way you like. But this keeps everything nice and uniform, neatly organized. I want to go to the About Us page really quick. The About Us page basically, obviously that's a page that goes over information about your services, about your store, your philosophy, the products that you offer. I have some dummy content just to get you up and running. Of course, you can change this, have it say whatever you like. Same thing here with the menu. It's a drop-down menu, so as you put your mouse over any label, you'll see subcategories. Now, Go Shopping, this is your main catalog menu. When you put your mouse over Go Shopping, you see all of the different categories that you offer, and people can go and browse everything that you offer. Now, again, I set up 50 of your products spread out over these various categories. You can, of course, add as many products and categories as you want. Let's go ahead and go to costumes, for example. And I'm sure that I have some categories not exactly arranged the way you want it, but again, that's up to you to log in and fine-tune the arrangement of products and categories. But let's look at one of the product pages. This is costumes. You can see that you can, as a user, decide how you want to look at everything that's offered. You have a list option, a list view, and a grid view. And if you have multiple pictures for an item, when you put your mouse over it, you see the various options. You see, for example, this item has a front and back picture, so when you put your mouse over it, you see both views. And so does this one. So for example, when you put your mouse over this, you see the front and back view of the costume. Now if we go to this particular page for this costume, you'll see you have the main picture here, and then you have the description here, reviews for people that want to leave reviews, and I've set it up to where you have to approve a review before it's published. So people can leave reviews, but they're not going to be visible until, of course, you approve them. You can change the quantity of what you want here, add it to cart. Let's go ahead and add this to our cart. We'll just add to cart. Look here what happens. When you add an item to your cart, you'll see a tally up here of what you have in your cart. And then that way, whenever you're ready to check out, you can go to checkout. We can also go here to currently on sale. I thought it would be a good idea to have a page specifically for every item that's discounted. And the neat thing about your website, the way I've set it up, is you can actually mark an item for sale. You can select the date range, how many days you want that sale price to be active. And the website, once that date passes, will automatically revert back to the regular price. So you don't have to remember to log back in and discontinue any sale prices. Let's say you know you want this item to be on sale till the end of the month. Simply set that up in your back panel, select the last day of the month to be the sale end date, and right up until then, that item will be on this page with a cross out of the regular price and the sale price, nice big bold number. And then once the last day of the month passes, it will automatically be removed from this page and reverted back to the regular price. So it's a really neat feature that allows you to throw sales and not have to remember to go and take any items off of the sale. Just set the date range and it'll all work out automatically. So we have a page specifically for items on sale. My account is basically for repeat customers. That's for customers that have placed orders or they want to track their shipping. They can come to my account. They can log in with a username or email and password and review all of their orders, no matter how old their orders are. If they've ordered items as of a year ago or months ago or weeks ago and they want to pull up a report of everything they've ordered, they can do that. They can place repeat orders by simply pulling up an old order and clicking reorder. So my account is a nice feature for your customers to manage everything that they've purchased on your website. Contacting us. Now, contacting us, basically that is a form and a contact page with your phone number and a form for people to fill out if they have any questions for you. You'll notice here it says you are, and if someone selects inquiring about a specific order, they'll get a drop down for an order number found on their receipt. I did that so it's easier for you guys to pull up that information so you can assist that customer. Now I want to show you how easy it is to add an item on your website and to put that item on sale. So I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to give you a sneak peek into your back panel. Now once I move the website to your domain, I'll set up several tutorials, over an hour's worth of information on how to manage everything on your website. But for now I just want to give you a sneak peek. Now this right here is a sneak peek. You can see I have 50 products that I've set up for you from your current website. These are all of the products. And let's say you want to find a specific product. You can filter which products are shown by category. So if you know you want to edit a product, let's say you have hundreds of products on your website. To make finding them easier, you can filter which products are shown by category. You can even search for a specific product. So let's say that we want to change this product, Captain Longsword. Let's say we want to edit this product. We want to change it from $65 to $85. All you have to do is come here, search products, and that product will pop up. Here we go. All you do is click on edit. And once you're on the product edit screen, you can see all of the details of the product that you want to edit. So let's say, for example, you want to change the description of the product. You just type that up here. Add whatever description you want. You can assign this product to any categories. You can set up additional product categories here. You can change the pictures of the product here. This is the main picture. This is the gallery picture. You can change the pricing of the product right here. So right now we have it at $65. Let's say we want to change it to $85. what we'll do is we'll change it to 85. Now let's say we want to put this item on sale. We want to say the regular price is $110. What we'll do is we'll go 110 under regular. We'll put the sale price here. We'll schedule that we want the sale to be from today to the end of the month. So what we're doing is we're editing this product. We change the description here. You assign the categories here for the product. Then you edit the price, the pictures here. And then you scroll down to pricing details here. And then you set the date of when you want the sale price to be active. And that's it. Now you saw how easy it is to manage a product. Adding a product is just as easy. Now if we come here and we refresh this page, you'll see that now the changes we just did took effect. This is what we added to the description. We now have a regular price of 110, which is crossed out, with the sale price of 85. And once the date expires that we preset on this product as far as the sale date, it will revert automatically back to the regular price. So you don't have to even remember to come back and change it. The website will do it itself. So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek in the back panel. Let's go back here to the back panel. Let's remove this from the description. Let's go down to the price and put it back to $65. We'll remove this and then we'll click update. So you can see how easy it is to edit products. Managing a product is just as easy. All you have to do is come here to products, add product, and adding a product is as easy as putting the product name here, description here, assigning it a category or selecting a category that it belongs to. Then you scroll down here to adding your SKU number for inventory management. You can see I've already set up inventory management for you. Regular price, a sale price if it's applicable, schedule the date range for the sale, upload your pictures for the product, and then simply click publish. And you can add a product in about 40 seconds or less. I'm pretty fast at adding products because I've done it so many hundreds of times, but it shouldn't take more than a minute if you go really slowly to add a product from scratch. So you can see how easy that is. Now I want to show you the checkout process. If we go here to checkout, I want to show you how easy it is for the customer to breeze through the checkout process. And you also have a feature for coupons. Now, you can set up coupons to give a certain percentage off or a dollar amount off any order. And I want to show you how neat that is. I've already set up a coupon called Grand. And Grand gives you a 20% discount off of your entire cart when you go to place an order. Now I can change this to a dollar amount off by simply doing that, cart discount, and put here 20. That'll give you $20 off your entire order when you go to checkout. But let's leave it at percentage. Usage restriction is something I do. You have to spend a minimum of $150 to be able to use this card. Now you can change this, for example, and do $50. Or you can change it and do $200. But basically, the person has to spend this minimum amount in order to use that coupon. I always like to check this coupon cannot be used with other coupons. So you can only use one discount coupon at a time. And then click update. So now whenever anybody puts in Grand on their cart, as long as they're spending $50 or more, they'll get a 20% discount off of their cart. So let's go ahead to checkout. And since I don't have $50 minimum, let's adjust our quantity really quick. Or let's go and add another item. Let's go to the currently on sale. Let's add one more item so that we can reach the $50 mark, so that I can show you how the coupon works. So we'll come to here and let's just go ahead and we'll add this. We'll add this here. to our cart. Now, if we go to checkout, I want to show you the checkout process, and you can have as many different coupons as you want. You can have some coupons that give a dollar amount off, other coupons that give a percentage off. You can have coupons that work only on specific items. So if you want to put a coupon out for a particular costume for Halloween and only that one costume, you can do that. A lot of variables you can use on creating coupons. And I'll show you again in tutorials how everything works. So don't let any of this stuff overwhelm you, because I will show you through tutorials how to manage everything. Now, my information, because I've done some test purchases here, is already entered in. Let's put a coupon code. We'll do grand and apply coupon. And you'll see that now we have a new total amount, grand, which gave us $14 off for a new total of $56. Put your information here for billing. If you want this item shipped to a different address, you can do that, or ship to the same as the billing address, and then proceed to PayPal. Now, I'm using PayPal to test the shopping cart, but we can use any merchant account that you like to use. And you can see everything is ready, and the website is ready to take orders. You see a tally of what you're ordering, the total. You can either pay by credit card, or if you have a PayPal account, just zip through and pay that way. So it gives people, I'm using PayPal, and with PayPal, the reason I like it so much is people recognize the PayPal logo from Amazon, from eBay. They can either pay with a credit or debit card, or if they have a PayPal account, they can pay that way, so it has multiple options for them to make it easy. But you can go ahead and continue and place an order. So the website is actually ready to take orders right now. All I have to do is move it to your domain and enter your merchant account details in there, and you'll be all set. Now, I do welcome any feedback that you have. If there's anything you'd like changed on the website, I'll be glad to do so. But keep in mind that as far as content is concerned, that's up to you to change. So if you don't like the wording on the website or how the menus are arranged, you can very easily manage that. But if there's anything else you'd like changed on the website, please let me know. I'll be glad to do it before we launch. The background is something that I picked out that's pretty colorful and fun. However, I can change the background, and you can change the background as often as you want. So as seasons go by or holidays come and go, you might want to change the background of the website. You can also change the home page, what items you're featuring on the home page. And pretty much all the content, the wording, you can change anytime. But if there's anything you'd like changed as far as the layout or framework, please let me know. And before we launch, I'll be glad to do that for you. Thank you so much for your patience, Cynthia, and I look forward to your feedback.